Welcome to Trouble with Tish. I am Tish and I be Trouble. And if you are a returner, welcome back. Alright, it is Monday, so it's Mask Monday. And this Monday we have the Yes to Tomato Clear Skin Detoxifying and Hydrating Black and White Charcoal Yin and Yang Paper Mask. I got this from Michelle. I believe I always have her linked below. You should go check her out. She sent this to me a while back, and I'm finally getting to use it. Alright. As soon as I get this unfolded and on my face, we can get to showing you some stuff. I got an ice cream box, have a mask haul. I didn't realize that when I was in Michigan, I gave my mom all my face masks. Pretty much so. This is really small. But it's fine because we also have my egger soup mask to go over it and keep it where it's supposed to be. Alright, so first up we have the Eyescream Beauty Box. This was 25 bucks a month, but they changed the price, but I am grandfathered into the old price. We have a card, February Love is Sweet, and it tells you what you get in your box and the value. So we're just going to go up the list from the bottom because, you know, at the top is where they have the palettes. So first off we have from Medusa's Makeup, the creamy lipstick. This creamy lipstick is a must-have because of its rich pigment, smooth application, and long-lasting formula. Medusa's Makeup delivers bold, beautiful colors with a comfortable wear that won't dry your lips. And the value is $14. Now I know that Medusa's Makeup has its own subscription. This is the component, and we have a nice red color. Very Valentine-y. It's very pretty. The next thing we have is the Butterfly Butter Lip Scrub by Kevyn Cosmetics. The value is $10. Infused with botanical extracts of pink butterfly bush, hibiscus, and noni, this lip scrub not only acts as a natural exfoliator, it also imparts moisture, vitamins, and a healthy, radiant sheen to your lips. Gently massage onto your lips in a circular motion, then wipe or rinse off. Follow up with lip balm for extra hydration. It had a plastic cover on, but I took it off. And we do have a safety seal. Next up we have the Hyaluronic Setting Powder by Mirabella. The value is $45. This setting powder does more than just set your makeup. Infused with hyaluronic acid, antioxidants, and hydrolyzed and soy proteins, it locks in moisture while keeping your skin looking fresh and flawless. Lift the powder to reveal a facial sponge for easy on-the-go application. Alright. It has a mirror here, but it also has a little ring light. And this is the powder, and then of course underneath you have the little pad there. It does have a white cast there, so, but we shall try it out. Then we have the Heart Face Brush by Moonslice Beauty. The value is $15. This adorable heart-shaped brush was chosen not just for its cute design, but for its ultra soft, densely packed bristles that made blending powders a breeze. It's the perfect tool for applying blush, bronzer, or setting powder, giving your makeup a smooth and flawless finish. Swirl the brush in your product, tap off excess, and use light circular motions for an airbrush effect. This mask is burning my eyes. It is nice and soft. Alright, next up we have Head in the Clouds Face Palette by Ofra Cosmetics. The value is $42. We love this palette because it's Cloud9 Dream for color lovers. This palette features 3 brand new duochrome highlighter shades, which add a subtle touch of color. It also features 3 beautiful blush shades, which are not as intimidating as they may seem in the pan, and complement a wide variety of skin tones. These shades can also double as eyeshadows. So here we have Pink Clouds, Orange Sky, and Purple Aurora. And then up here we have Fantasy, Daydream, and Cloud 9. So here we have the purple and the orange and the pink. I love all those. Those are pretty. And then we have corresponding highlighters. We have a pinky one, an orangey one, and a purple one. That is awesome. And last but not least, we have Like a Melody palette by Moira Cosmetics, a value of $12. This palette brings harmony to your makeup collection with its dreamy mix of soft neutrals and romantic pops of color. Moira Cosmetics is known for its highly pigmented blendable formulas, and this palette is no exception. Whether you're creating an everyday soft glam look or a sultry night out look, the versatile shades make it effortless. Use the lighter shades as a base, deepen the crease with the darker mattes, and add a shimmer to the center of the lid for a glowing finish. Oh, this mask is really burning my eyes. So I'm going to take it off. It smells really good. And instantly when I take that off, my eyes feel better. I don't know what was going on with the mask, but I don't have another one, so I don't have to worry about that. Alright, for the first 4 we have Soulful, Modern Melodies, Harmony, and Press Play. Then we have Love Song, Lullaby, To You, and Medley. Then we have Melodic and Shuffle. Now I'm seeing 2 shimmer shades in this palette, and one that is a matte with like sparkles in it, which in my experience those sparkles don't really stick around in your eye look. However, they do stick around. Alright, so that is it for my Eyescream Beauty box for the month of why did my brain say November? February. And because I am out of face masks, I ordered some. The first thing I ordered, and I ordered these off of Amazon, was Biodance Biocollagen Real Deep Mask with probiotics and galactomyces ferment filtrate. Low molecular hyaluronic acid solution and low molecular collagen. I believe low molecular means that the particles of what the active ingredient is smaller, so it goes deeper into your skin. It says hydrating, pore, perfecting, improving elasticity, and we definitely need that. Now, my box did come a little funky, and this little safety seal not sealed. So there is that. And it came with 4 masks. So we will be giving these a try. And then I got this Pacifica Sheet mask stars as Stress, Rehab, Super Green Detox, and Glow Baby. I got this because it was just inexpensive. And those are the masks from Pacifica. And then I got this Aversa Collagen Retinol Under Eye Patches for puffy eyes, dark circles, and eye bags. Hyaluronic acid. There's 30 pairs. Now with this, it is quite mushy on the corner, like it's wet. And although it is Washington, it was not raining. It was not delivered in the rain. There's no reason for it to be wet. So I'm wondering what that is about. Yeah, that's definitely wet. And it's inside plastic. So, yeah, this, I don't think this was sealed correctly. Yeah, definitely not sealed correctly. It's all... It's goopy on the outside, and it is sealed with plastic. So how is there goop on the outside of the plastic? That doesn't make any sense to me. Comes with a little scoop, a plastic cover, and then little gel eye patches, which I suppose I should probably use a little scoop for. But, I mean, it's Mask Monday, so let's put some on, because I could definitely use the help. Oh, that feels good. Alright, well, I will clean this up. Alright, so I'm going to leave these on, but that is it for my Mask Monday. I hope you have enjoyed this and gotten a little bit of entertainment out of me fumbling around. There is a playlist down in the description box. This is in collaboration with Beauty Ninja's Mask Mondays, because I'm a beauty ninja now. So go check out that playlist. Go give everybody a watch and see how they're doing this week. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. All of that stuff is below. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day. And remember, it costs nothing to be kind. And I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget.